Hi, it's Miss Barbara here for Valentine Storytime, and today we are going to read a book by one of my very, very favorite children's authors, Todd Parr. It's called the I Love You book. I remember when we did our flannel board, we talked about how a heart means love. So this is the I Love You book by Todd Parr. The I Love You book. I love you when you're silly. Peekaboo. Can you be silly? Do something silly. Can you make a silly face? Let's do peekaboo together. Peekaboo. I love you when you're sad. He's crying. He's sad. I love you when you're scared. Look, he's scared. I love you when you're brave. Look, she's at the doctor. She's getting a checkup and she's so brave. Are you brave when you go to the doctor? Sometimes I'm brave with the doctor, sometimes not. Sometimes I get a little scared. But that's okay. I love you when I'm away. See, that's somebody's mommy. She's at work. I love you when we're cuddled up close. I love you when you're asleep. Where's he sleeping? In the car. Do you ever sleep in the car? I love you when you don't sleep. I love you when we dance. And I love you when we stroll. That means taking a walk. See, Dad is pushing his little girl in the carriage. They're going for a walk. And look, the little mouse has a little carriage too. I love you when you're sick. And I love you when you feel better. I love you when you give me kisses. Can you blow a kiss? Quick. Who's watching this with you? Is it mom or dad or grandma? Whoever it is, give them a kiss. I love you when you need hugs. Look, she's crying. What do you think happened to her? Maybe she fell down, or maybe she's just sad, or maybe she's hungry, I don't know. But she's crying, and she needs a hug, and mommy's gonna hug her. I love you when you share. And I love you when you are shy. She's being shy. It's okay to be shy. Some people are shy. Look at little kitty's being shy too. But that's okay, because you're still loved. I love you when you hide my keys. And I love you when you find new friends. Where are they now? Where do you think they might be, Charlotte? It looks like they're at the beach, right? Who loves to go to the beach? I do. I love you when you're stinky. Oh, she's stinky. But even when you get stinky, you're still loved. I love you when you are squeaky clean. She's taking a bath. I love you when we cook. Do you ever cook with mom and dad? Do you like to cook with them? What do you like to make? Spaghetti? Maybe macaroni and cheese? Pizza? Yeah. I love you when we cook. And I love you when we eat. They are making a big mess, aren't they? Look at that. But that's okay. There's lots of love. See the love? Love is in the air. I love you when you walk. I love you when we roll. Look, how are they rolling? They're in the grocery store in the cart. Does mom or dad ever push you in the grocery cart at the grocery store? Most of all, I love you just the way you are. And it says, we all need to be loved. There's enough love for everyone to share. Remember to always love yourself. Love, Todd. The end. That's a great story. It's about love. Who do you love? Tell me who you love. I love all of you, all of my library friends. That's who I love. And of course, everyone knows I love Pete. Pete's my love. So happy Valentine's Day. I wish you all love and happiness. Bye-bye.